For those of you who use Facebook, I'm going to show you the best way to invite your friends and family that are connected to you on Facebook to the upcoming concerts. So we have a concert coming up, and I've got quite a few friends that live locally that I would like to invite. So here's how to do it. First of all, go to the concert. See, now this, I want to show you something. This is a direct post of a picture. So this is actually the printed poster, but again, this is only a picture. This is not the event post. So this is something you want to be careful of, is to make sure that you're sharing the event. So here's how you can do that. First of all, you can type in Greater Greenwood Community Band. Make sure you're going to the band, and I'm a member of the Greater Greenwood Community Band group, which nobody uses this. This was created several years ago. So you go to Greater Greenwood Community Band, to our Facebook page. So I'm clicking on that, and then we'll go directly to the event. So in this case, I'm logged in as myself. I'm not logged in as the band right now. Although I'm an administrator on this page, I don't want to be sharing it directly as an administrator. I'm sharing it as myself. So over here's the event. So click on upcoming event. And when you're on the event page, you can see we have a cover image at the top. And what you want to do to invite your friends is to click on this invite button. So you click there, and this pulls up your friend list. In my case, I have created a group called Local Buds, and so I've categorized all my friends on Facebook into various categories. So whether it's people from church, or if it's people who I would allow to watch family videos, or kids and so forth, I have a group for that. Business buddies, family. But in this case, I want to share it with a group. My own is called Local Buds. There it is. And this at least narrows the list to people that I have identified as people who live around Indy here. So basically, my hometown friends. I'm from Kansas. I don't want to be inviting people from 700 miles away to the event. So in this case, I'll click on basically people that I would want to invite. And notice here we have Amy Risner Slack. This is marked as already going. That's why it's grayed out. David Cook, already going. I won't be inviting all of my local friends because I know, some of them are just not inclined to go. So see, this guy here, he has gone to some of our concerts. I'll invite Steve. So I'm inviting people in the band, obviously. Yeah, there we go. So Casey Hayes. Anyway, I'll kind of speed through this, but I just want to show you that as you click on these in the middle here, they appear on the right as the ones that you have invited. For the sake of this video, let's fast forward through this. And the way Facebook works, this feature will allow you to invite 500 people. So what I've selected are just friends that I know are local that I think might have a chance of being interested in this particular event. For me, this happens to be 53 people that I'm connected to on Facebook that fit that criteria. And when you do this, it will automatically, Facebook will be more inclined to show something on their feed saying that you invited them to the Spring Symphonic Wildflowers concert. And that's how it works. So just go through your own list, send invitations, and you'll have a much greater chance of Facebook actually showing this event to your local friends. I think if everyone does this, it's going to greatly improve our overall attendance. Now, I'll point out something too. Each concert, we have typically spent $50 per event to do a paid advertisement to get Facebook to actually show this event to other people. And it's a, kind of like a little bit of money. It's getting, over time, Facebook has gotten more expensive in terms of the amount of money that they charge per person that responds to it. So what I just did here was sending these invitations. That's free, and that's something you can do to make a contribution to the band's marketing efforts, but also just to make sure that the people who show up in the audience are your friends. So one more thing before we wrap this up. In addition to using the invite button, also use this share button. If you click on this button, you get an option to copy the link to your clipboard. That way you can paste it into an email, you can paste it into anything, any other post you want to paste it into. You can share it to your own feed. You can share it as an instant message, to someone else. You can also share it to a page. For instance, if you are an admin on a church page or a neighborhood page, you can share it to other Facebook pages that way. You can share it to groups that you're a part of, or you can share it directly to a friend's profile, saying, hey, come to the concert, love to see you there, that kind of stuff. For this example, I'll just go ahead and click on the share to feed. This is something that we should all do. This will actually share the event post to your own feed. So you can say, hey, this will be a great, there we go, concert. See you there, ? If you make it interactive, that increases the odds that someone's going to respond, actually type something, do some kind of interaction that will get Facebook to show it more frequently. So anyway, so if you do that, that will greatly help attendance. I'm going to go ahead and close this one out for now. But the advantage of sharing the event post rather than just a picture is that if they go here and they click on the going button, this will show the number of people who are actually who actually clicked on interested or going. And so this number then keeps adding up. And the more people we have click on it, the greater the odds that Facebook is going to say, hey, this is actually an important event worth showing. And it'll show it to more people. So it's kind of a compounding effect. The more people who respond, the more Facebook is going to show it. Everyone knows that bringing in a good audience makes the event a lot more fun for everyone. Thanks for watching, and let's keep on sharing.